Welcome back to your bite-sized admin update for the week of June 22nd, 2026. This week we are tracking a monumental multi-model expansion, hitting Microsoft 365 Copilot, and a major corporate data monitoring shift landing in Google Workspace. Let's get you up to speed. First up, a massive shift in how enterprise AI operates. Microsoft is officially rolling out its multi-model ecosystem update to M365 Copilot this week. Unofficially, this update began rolling out worldwide through May to this month. Tenant users are no longer locked to a single model, OpenAI. They can now natively toggle Anthropic's Claude for advanced, nuanced, long-form writing and document summaries directly inside Word, Teams, and Outlook. Additionally, look out for the new Plan mode in Excel. Data analysts also get a powerful upgrade with the brand new, dedicated Copilot Plan mode staging canvas. This allows users to instruct Copilot to reshape massive data pools. This allows you to preview complex data reshapes and structural logic adjustments before any code actually touches your active live workbook. Turning to Google Workspace data governance, administrators can finally move past the basic, flat monitoring tools inside the standard admin console. This isn't a new release, but we thought this would be a good feature to mention. Since late 2025, Google has rolled out the feature to natively export Gemini logs directly to BigQuery. This allows your security and compliance teams to route massive streams of Gemini prompt histories, usage patterns, and assistant log data straight into custom enterprise analytics and SIEM pipelines. It is an essential step for mapping shadow data behavior and tracking your corporate AI return on investment. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and let us know if there are any SaaS tools that you would like featured in the BAU update.